welcome. Today we'll be making a mala or a toran out of the straws and wool, just like this. So what all we need? Obviously some straws, preferably white in color, a thread and a needle, some wool, yellow or orange in color, and a scissor. So first what we're going to do is cut this plastic straw into equal part, approximately 1 or 1.5 inch length. You'll need a lot of straws depending on your length, minimum 50. I'm showing you only a few over here. Then for each of this part, what we're going to do is take it and give a slant cut on both the sides. Okay, repeat this process for all the pieces which you have cut already. Here I'm just showing you a small number of pieces. After this, just take a needle and thread and like a normal garland, put it through the center of the piece. Okay, and just don't stack it up on top of each other, but at a slight angle to one another so that it looks like a garland. So go on doing this and adding up all the pieces together quite closely to form the mala of the required length. Here I'll be showing you only a small portion so as to know how it looks like. So this is the small portion and this is how it will look like when you finish the whole thing. Now you can use your plastic sheets, cloths, synthetic cloths to make this as well. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use some more material to add some dangles at one end. For that we'll need a big pom-pom and 3 small pom-pom or wooden balls, and then these 2 structures which are cut out of plastic over here, you can make it out of cloth also so that you can wash them, and 3 beads. Now obviously needle and thread. So just cut out a small portion of the thread and then we'll add first the smaller balls or the pom-poms, 1 pom-pom and then a bead, 1 pom-pom, another bead. So alternatively we'll put these 3 smaller pom-poms and at the end we'll put the larger one. So this whole structure will resemble like a marigold dangle. Then at the end we'll put the green structure like the sepals or leaves. Then we're going to attach this at one end. Just secure the other end in the meantime. Just tie them up together nicely to make it a single structure. Now at the end we'll add another bunch of dangles at this particular end. So they will be resembling something like this: white flowers at the first and then at the end a pom-pom. So the flowers will be cut like this from straw and then we'll just thread them in. I'm just showing you a single one over here, but we'll attach a bunch of them. So just tie the end and first we'll add the pom-pom and on top of that the green leaf-like structure and the rest of the flowers. So add around 6-7 flowers or as per your required length. Once this is done, I'm just going to secure the end and I'm going to add it to the bunch of other danglers which I have already made in this similar way. We are just tying this at the other end of the mala or the garland or the toran. Just cut the extra thread from all the places You can make a loop at the other end to hang it around. So this is how it will look like. Now there are multiple ways to use this. You can just hang it in a singular way like this, like at the both ends, or you can hang it like this as a Toran. So hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.